Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting up breathing and mobility. Equip Respiration Roman 3 helmet or drink a water-breathing potion and wear a turtle shell for backup. Place a conduit near the temple to grant long-term underwater breathing once activated. This saves potions. Once done, swim in with blocks, doors, and a trident or bow. Use doors to create air pockets while you dig. Make sure to note the temple entrance and map it to avoid getting lost while you start clearing corridors. You now focus on removing water and hostile pressure. Drop sponges into key rooms to soak up water, and use block walls to section off corridors so you can work room by room. If an Elder Guardian hits you with mining fatigue, drink milk to remove it immediately. This restores your ability to break blocks. Once done, funnel Guardians into narrow passages using doors or gates so you can hit them safely with a trident or bow, and clear spawners quickly to prevent reinforcements. You finish by looting and extracting safely. Prioritize sponge rooms and gold blocks, but sweep every chamber for chests with ancient debris-like rewards and prismarine materials. Once the area is clear of Elder Guardians, mine sea lanterns, and prismarine, then dismantle your conduit only if you won't revisit soon. Finally, plan your exit. Have ender pearls or a boat ready, or build a bubble column up to air. If you get trapped, place a door for a pocket of air and swim to safety. This tip prevents panic deaths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.